you know, you might wanna compare it with like a barn owl being a handgun and a snowy owl or an eagle owl being a bazooka. You know, and that's just a simple answer. It's all because of the fact that the snowy owl, after a few years, will become sexually adult and go through this horrible phase where it will test you, where it will be aggressive, disrespectful, trying to mess with you. And the thing is that it has huge talents, and it is not... the answer is, yes, that's an airplane passing by. Mwah. You're so cute today. So, the answer to this question is...